Kennel cough doesn't only happen in kennels. The name is misleading. Dogs can catch kennel cough anywhere they meet other dogs, including parks, grooming salons, daycare, or training classes. It's a highly contagious respiratory infection, spread through coughing and close contact. The classic sign is a harsh, dry cough that can sound like gagging or retching. Most dogs recover well, but puppies, older dogs, and vulnerable pets may become more seriously unwell. Vaccination can help reduce the risk and severity. If your dog develops a persistent cough, contact your vet